Who wants to do a riding exercise? Even if you don't, still watch the video. I'll try to make it a fun ride regardless. Whee!
No fluff riding advice. Cut the fluff!
Let's practice writing some vivid descriptions. For this exercise, choose an interesting location or an uninteresting location. That works too. Basically, choose a location. But I want you to go somewhere where there's a lot of sensory input. Assuming all your senses are intact, you should be able to see, hear, smell, feel, and even taste things. So maybe bring a snack or just forage. That's an option. Anyway, I want you to sit or stand in your chosen location, even if it's your own backyard, whatever works for you, and focus on one sense first. Maybe you're at a busy cafe and you can hear the dull murmur of conversation, the aggressive grinding of coffee beans, a disgruntled customer arguing about the price of soy milk. You know, standard cafe stuff. Write down any keywords or descriptors that come to mind, then move on to the next sense until you've covered each one. For this part, be thorough. You don't have to use every word you write down in your final descriptions, just the most relevant or interesting. It's amazing what you notice when you force yourself to pay attention. For better or worse, depending on where you are, there may be some things you want to unnotice. Sorry. Now, using the words you jotted down, you did jot, didn't you? You better be jotting. Jot, what an odd word. Anyway, now describe the scene in full using whatever descriptors you deem relevant. No action or dialogue at this point, just write a description that's so vivid, readers will be able to see, hear, feel, taste, and smell it on the page. That's right, your description should be so good it stinks. In a good way. Want to take it a step further? Of course you do. Now use what you've sensed and described to write a scene based in the same location. Does something you notice stand out? Is there a spark of inspiration in what you've seen, heard, smelt, touched, or tasted that could ignite a scene in your head? Yeah, let's start a scene fire. Here's an example. If I sat at a park with a duck pond, I might have heard the quacking of an alarmed duck. So I could write a scene where I turn to investigate the source of the quacking and notice a man trying to eat the duck. I'm surprised more ducks don't get snatched, to be honest. They're just there for the taking. Anyway, maybe the scene ends with me joining the man in eating the duck. He was very convincing, talked me around pretty quick, and now I get to describe a new taste. Undercooked park duck. Yummy.